Program Enterprise, and today I am back with another great tutorial. Today I am going to show you guys how to add text-to-speech features to your Scratch Translator project. This is part 2 of the How to Make a Translator in Scratch series. So this is where we left off in the last episode. If you haven't watched the last episode, please go and watch it. The link will be given in the description. So when we click the green flag, the Scratch cat asks what do you want to translate? I give the word of my choice. For now I am choosing randomly. I type hello. Now the Scratch cat is asking me to what language. I would give Spanish for now. Hola. Excellent. This thing is working fine. So for the scripting is actually really simple. You just need to go to the event section and add in these broadcast blocks in the locations as I add them. The first one would be right below the green flag click block. The second one would be right below the set word to answer block. And the third one would be right below the set language to answer block. Now we don't want all the broadcasting messages to be same. So for the first one we would set ask word. For the second one we will say ask language. The third one we would say translated. That's it. Now we will add in these blocks when I receive blocks. These are the broadcasting starting blocks. So the first when I receive block I will set it to ask word. Second one I will set to ask language. The third one we will set to say translated. Now we will quickly add an extension to the project. This is text to speech. The extension button is right on the bottom left corner just above the backpack. This button. If you click on that, you will get all sorts of extensions required for making your projects. I am selecting text to speech. Now let me mention this. For translate and text to speech, both of these types of blocks, you need an active network connection for them to work, else they might malfunction. So we will drag in these speak blocks and then place them right below the broadcast blocks. For the first one, the text needs to be same to this, what word you want to translate. So let me quickly type that. Excellent. Now the second one would be to what language. The third one, for the third one we will just have to take out this block, duplicate this, attach one in this area and attach and return this block to here. So that's it. It's that simple. Let's test run this project. Sorry. Okay, now it's all set. I don't know why this is not working. Let's check. Okay, I would set the volume to max, and now let's test it. I choose a random word, hello, just like before. Hmm, let's say Spanish for now. Excellent. The text to speech feature works just fine. Now let me explain you why I did not just do this. I did not do that because you see when the green flag would be clicked, the scratch cat would execute this block first and then come to this block. That means the scratch cat won't show this text until and unless this block is complete. And that is not what we want. We want the scratch cat to play the audio and show the text at once, simultaneously. So that's where this broadcast block comes. Broadcasting doesn't take much time, it just broadcasted. This uh, block receives it and then executes this block, while in this area this block executes this block. So both of these happen simultaneously. Same goes for this and this. Now one problem may arise. You see, when the text of the writing in here is not similar to English. Right now you see in Spanish HOLA, hola is there. But there might be some languages where the text is totally different. So for that we need to set the language first. So we will drag in the set language block in the last broadcast block before the speak block. And we will drag in, we will go to the variable section first and we will drag in the language variable, place it in the place of language. That's it. So that was all. Hope you liked the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel Program Enterprise. When you subscribe, make sure to click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you get the updates instantly. See you later.